How to delete contacts on Telegram. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete contacts on Telegram. To remove a contact from Telegram, you'll have to follow the steps. First of all, open your Telegram application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once on this page, you're at the top left corner, you will find 3 horizontal lines. Tap on it to open the site menu, and from the site menu, select Contacts. You will find the contact list. Scroll through your contact list and find the contact you wish to delete. Once you find the contact you want to delete, tap and hold the contact until you find the dustbin icon at the top right corner. Once you find the dustbin icon, tap on it to delete it. You will have to confirm the deletion. If you are really sure to delete this contact, go ahead and tap on that delete button right here, and your contact will be deleted from your list. If you wish to delete all your contacts at once, then you can do so by following these steps. Come back to the home page, tap on the same 3 horizontal lines at the top left corner, and from the side menu, select Settings. Once you tap on Settings, you will be taken to this page. Here under Settings section, you will find Privacy and Security. Tap on it to enter the privacy and security settings. And once you are on this page, scroll down until you find Contact section. Under Contact section, make sure to toggle the button to switch off the Sync Contacts option. And then at the top of it, you will find Delete Sync Contacts. Tap on it and it will provide you the information that once you tap on this delete button, this will remove all your contacts from your Telegram. Go ahead and tap on that delete button and then come back to the home page to recheck it. There you will find you have successfully deleted all your contacts from your Telegram contact list. So by following these steps, you can easily manage and delete contacts on Telegram. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.